At top of the hour, what we are going to talk about is a big political fight that has erupted in New Delhi, where Arvind Kejriwal is slamming at the Khattar government over arresting of over 40 AAP workers. Now, Arvind Kejriwal claims that overnight arrests were made because the AAP workers had called Khattar as a chief minister of Punjabis. Now, Republic has also accessed Kejriwal's address as that internal party meeting where he attacked Khattar.
दोस्तों, कल रात को इन्होंने हरियाणा में हमारे 35-40 कार्यकर्ताओं को गिरफ्तार कर लिया। अभी अभी सुबह खबर आई जब मैं सो के उठा, 1 बजे 2 बजे। क्यों? उन कार्यकर्ताओं का क्या कसूर था? कहीं से कोई पोस्ट आई थी, बता रहे हैं, जिसमें लिखा हुआ था कि खट्टर केवल पंजाबियों का मुख्यमंत्री है। ये एक धारणा है भी पूरे हरियाणा के अंदर। यहां पे हरियाणा के कई लोग आए होंगे, एक हरियाणा में ये धारणा है भी। और ये वो नहीं कह रहे, खट्टर साहब खुद अभी करनाल में मेयर का चुनाव था, खट्टर साहब जाके बोले मैं तो पंजाबी हूं, पंजाबी मेरे को वोट दो। अरे जब तुम खुद बोल रहे हो, तुम जातिवाद फैलाते हो, तुम फैलाते हो जातिवाद, और फिर गिरफ्तार हमारे लोगों को करते हो। तो उसमें यही लिखा हुआ था भाई, चौटाला कहता है मैं जाटों का, तू कहता है मैं पंजाबियों का, तो बाकी जाति वाले कहां जाएंगे? बनिए कहां जाएंगे? ब्राह्मण कहां जाएंगे? ठाकुर कहां जाएंगे? दलित कहां जाएंगे? SC ST कहां जाएंगे? वाल्मीकि कहां जाएंगे? यादव कहां जाएंगे? सैनी कहां जाएंगे? और अगर तू खुल के कहता है पंजाबियों का मुख्यमंत्री हो, तो अगर जनता उस पर ऑब्जेक्शन करती है तो तू गिरफ्तार करवाएगा रात को भी। 40 हमारे कार्यकर्ता गिरफ्तार कर लिए। पूरे देश में इन्होंने आतंक का माहौल बना रखा है।
We have Anuj joining us live with more on this. Anuj, we were listening to the Delhi Chief Minister and the Aam Aadmi Party convener. Now, what exactly is this entire controversy all about? Because these were overnight arrests that were made, and for speaking against Manohar Lal Khattar, what is exactly this controversy all about?
Well, if we talk about the controversy, then it started from when the Aam Aadmi Party worker from Haryana has done a Facebook post where they are quoting that Manohar Lal Khattar, who is the Chief Minister of Haryana, is a Punjabi Chief Minister, like he is for Punjabis only. And let me tell you the section which has been imposed by the police for these arrests on these people who have been arrested, who are Aam Aadmi Party worker. This is 153 section, and this comes out with giving provocation with the intent to cause riots. The another section is 153A, promoting enmity between different groups on ground of religion. So these are the section which has been imposed by the Haryana police. Now, taking the political angle, Aam Aadmi Party chief Arvind Kejriwal is targeting Khattar government on the same, saying that Manohar Lal Khattar has himself committed in Karnal that he is a Punjabi chief minister, he is there for Punjabis. Then if Aam Aadmi Party workers is saying the same thing on the Facebook post, then why there is arrest which has been witnessed? Why these people has been targeted? So this is something being taken by the Aam Aadmi Party, now taking a jibe on Khattar government and Chautala government as well. They're saying that Chautala called him the leader of Jats and Khattar called him the leader of Punjabis. So where will the other community go? So this is the line taken by the Aam Aadmi Party. But yes, at this point in time, around 40 workers of Aam Aadmi Party has been arrested by Haryana police, seeking the legal action against these workers who are, as per the police, is intending to take the religious angle, and riots can happen after this angle. This is being said by the police. But yes, the politics is on the same issue. Aam Aadmi Party targeting Khattar government in Haryana, whereas Khattar government is saying that this will result into the riots. This is against the law, and that is why these arrests has been done. Back to you.
All right, Anuj, for the moment, thank you very much for the information.